Good morning and welcome to the Travel World Online News Bulletin. I am Anika and these are today's top global travel trade headlines. Airbnb transforms into a full-scale AI-powered travel ecosystem with services, experiences, hotels and smart travel tools in its 2026 summer release. Booking.com launches AI-driven car rental innovations including ChatGPT integration, AI assistance and smart review summaries to simplify road trip travel. Border Roads Organization creates the world's highest motorable road at Migla Pass in Ladakh at 19,400 feet, opening a new frontier for adventure and experiential tourism. Sandeep Marwa honored at Parliament of Victoria for promoting global art, culture and peace. Adventure Tour Operators Association of India, member Blue Odyssey Voyage, opens new office in Chennai. Luxury and experiential travel continue to dominate global tourism trends with increasing demand for self-drive journeys, curated experiences, and high-altitude expeditions. AI is rapidly reshaping the travel industry, with major global platforms racing to become end-to-end travel companions rather than just booking websites. Let's dive straight into the details. Airbnb is going all in on artificial intelligence with its 2026 summer release. The platform is officially evolving from a homestay site into a complete travel ecosystem. New app features now integrate airport pickups across 160 cities, Instacart grocery deliveries, and direct car rentals. Airbnb is also expanding directly into boutique hotels in Paris, New York, and Singapore. Industry analysts say this marks a definitive shift toward travel tech platforms managing the entire traveler journey. Booking.com is tackling peak season travel friction by launching conversational AI features for global car rentals. The major update integrates ChatGPT, allowing travelers to search for vehicles naturally by simply asking for an automatic SUV or a spacious family car. The rollout also debuts a multilingual AI car rental helper to instantly answer complex insurance and payment questions, making road trip planning faster and far more transparent. India has achieved a massive engineering milestone. The Border Roads Organization has constructed the world's highest motorable road across Migla Pass in eastern Ladakh. Standing at an unprecedented 19,400 feet, the route officially beats the global record previously held by Umlingla. Connecting Hanle with Phukche village, tourism experts say this strategic route will become the ultimate new global destination for extreme adventure tourism and high-altitude expeditions. Global tourism is witnessing a major structural shift toward road trips and experiential travel. Driven by premium adventure seekers, modern travelers are abandoning rigid package tours in favor of flexible self-drive journeys and authentic remote escapes. Astrotourism and high-altitude routes are now the fastest-growing sectors, forcing travel brands to invest heavily in personalized, on-demand mobility solutions. Finally, artificial intelligence is rapidly rewriting the rules of global tourism. Tech giants are racing to build full digital travel companions, using generative AI to handle everything from real-time flight rerouting to instantaneous multilingual support. Experts agree that minimizing travel friction through tech will dictate market dominance by the end of the decade. That is all for today. For deeper industry insights, log on to Travel World Online. I am Anika. Have a great business day.
You are watching Travel World Online.